Hello, welcome to another Ics Airsoft video. We're going to be quickly demonstrating this Ics M4 that came in for repair. Actually, technically it came in for a hop rubber upgrade, but when we pulled it out of the box it didn't work, so we investigated it and we found an electrical contact issue with obviously the electric safety not being in the correct place, therefore it not working. So we diagnosed that, but when we was inside we also noticed that the selector plate is broken, which was why that connection wasn't working, and we also noticed that the safety on there was broken also. So we fitted I noticed that a standard Nupro M4 safety and a Prometheus Selector plate, and now we had it firing full auto and had no safety still. So then we obviously had to investigate as to why, and it's because obviously ICS parts are proprietary, so obviously they don't accept normal M4 selector plates. That'd be crazy. So unfortunately we then scoured the internet, couldn't find any, so I've fit another Prometheus selector plate, this time not modified, and no safety on the actual trigger. So unfortunately the gun has no safety, so obviously in safe also, because of the offset bits being off spec, it will fire semi on safe, and then obviously on semi it's in full auto, so yeah, that is as close as we could get it with the obviously non proper parts, and to be honest, obviously for the amount of time that we've had to go in and out on a gun which we technically didn't want to accept in, because obviously we'd agreed that it was just hot rubber work, that we've ended up having to put a lot more hours into this one than we would have liked to. So I think this is, like I say, as close as we can get with our current capability, i.e. access to parts and technical expertise, if you know what I mean. So I think we're comfortable drawing the line there, if you know what I mean. So not perfect, but at least we can sort of demonstrate it working and it's usable, and then like I say, long term you can obviously look at maybe sourcing ICS parts yourself, and or finding another company that does have a bit more access to ICS spares, because obviously we don't have really any access to those. We would literally just be scouring the internet trying to find them. So yeah, but I'll just quickly demonstrate it working. So there you go, hopefully that's okay. We've got it all, well, like I say, working mostly. I think it's the best state, because we were getting all kinds of combinations. We were getting combinations with selector working, but no single shot. Then we were getting safe working, but no full auto and only single shot. And then we've tried every single combination, and I think this one works. And obviously, perfect world, we would have just been able to order the parts that we need. But welcome to gun teching, and this is part of the reason why it's very frustrating for me. It takes a lot of fun out of it, you know, when you can't just get quick turnarounds on these. They turn into chores, and then we get jaded as gun techs, you know what I mean. So, but try to find the fun in it. But where's the fun in? Obviously, can't get parts, can't fix it, can't enjoy gun teching. So, but yeah, we've got it repaired, and like I say, it's shooting, and like I say, it's got the Psionic hot rubber in there. We've done the Prometheus Tightbore barrel, so obviously you should get an improvement in range and accuracy. Obviously we'd recommend heavier ammos to keep those shots down, and yeah, hopefully you have a good time with it. Thank you.